Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. First is to tap your profile icon and tap the three horizontal lines, and then you can see there, tap settings. Now, once already or your activity, you can also check here on your activity and you can tap on the recently deleted. So everything that you have deleted, it may be your stories or videos or reels, it will show up in here. But if you're looking for your messages, now there's one option that we can do to recover our deleted messages is to tap on your information that you have shared with Instagram. So here, the bottom, download your information. Just tap on it and then you can request to download the information. So it would maybe give us everything that we have deleted from our Instagram account, including our messages. Maybe yes or not, depending on the information that Instagram will be giving to you. Just bear in mind that it would take 14 days or more for you to receive it. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.